Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with one new important topic. After e-commerce, web services, entertainment, Amazon is set to take on Elon Musk's SpaceX in the booming internet from space category. The Jeff Bezos-led giant on Thursday received the Federal Communications Commission's go-ahead to build, deploy, and operate its ambitious Kuiper constellation, a massive satellite network aimed at providing broadband services to the US and other parts of the world. Project to create a constellation of over 3,000 satellites. First announced last year, Kuiper is Amazon's long-term initiative to establish a constellation of 3,236 satellites in orbit and use them to beam high-speed, low-latency, and affordable internet down to households, schools, hospitals, businesses on Earth. The project is still at a nascent stage, but Amazon says it is committed to building the constellation and will invest $10 billion to make it a reality. Kuiper will help people come online. Amazon's Senior Vice President, Dave Limp said, "There are people who are unable to do their job or complete schoolwork because they don't have reliable internet. There are still too many places where broadband access is unreliable or where it doesn't exist. Kuiper will change that." Federal Communications Commission wants to see half of constellation ready by 2026. While Kuiper will give Amazon the ability to deliver internet to underserved communities globally, the Federal Communications Commission's nod is only to deploy and operate the constellation to provide broadband in the US. It paves the way for Amazon to start launching satellites, but has mandated the company to have half of the constellation running by 2026 and the other half by 2029. According to Amazon's FCC filing, the company will send the satellites to 3 different altitudes in the low Earth orbit to establish the broadband system. But to begin services, it just needs 578 probes in place. The $10 billion investment will be utilized to build Amazon's ground network, accelerate the manufacturing, testing of the satellites, and ultimately deliver an affordable customer terminal providing fast internet. As of now, design of satellite network is yet to be finalized. Amazon has been asked by FCC to present a final plan explaining how it will operate the network without adding orbital debris, which is already way too much. Notably, Amazon had suggested that it will take the satellites out of orbit within 355 days, but FCC needs more information around it. Amazon will be going directly against SpaceX. With this constellation, Amazon will be going directly against Elon Musk's SpaceX, which has already started creating its Starlink space internet system with over 500 satellites in place. The spacefaring company plans to launch nearly 12,000 broadband satellites in the coming years. Similarly, UK-based OneWeb is also in the race with plans to have a network of 650 satellites. Thank you so much for being here. If this video helped you to find something new, please share with your friends. And if you have any suggestion, please comment so I can improve it.